Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. If you like peanut butter, you're gonna love this 3-ingredient recipe. Peanut Butter Fudge. Let's see how to make it. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to see all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. So let's add in the first ingredient, that is 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of peanut butter. Now keep it in the microwave until the butter is melted. Splash in some vanilla essence and mix all together. Now into this, add in around 200 grams of powdered sugar. Don't add the granulated sugar because then it will become very grainy. You can also add in icing sugar for a smooth finish. Add in little by little till it becomes thick like this. Take any bowl lined with parchment paper and add in all the peanut butter mixture in it. Spread and level it using a spatula. Fold in rest of the parchment paper on top of it so that you will get a smooth top. Now close the bowl and refrigerate it for 2 hours or until it is set. Now after 2 hours, just take it out and slowly remove the parchment paper from the top and slightly pull it. You can easily take it out from the bowl. Look at the beautiful texture of our fudge. Very smoothly you can cut this into your desired shapes. In this fudge I have used smooth peanut butter, but if you want more crunch in your fudge, you can use chunky peanut butter. Or you can add some roasted peanuts, nuts, raisins, dry fruits. The choices are endless. You can store these fudge squares in an airtight container and keep it refrigerated for up to 6 weeks. You can add in some cocoa powder with the powdered sugar to make this a chocolate peanut butter fudge. I hope you all like this recipe, so definitely try out the simple and easy 3-ingredient peanut butter fudge and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.